Sampling is when we choose to count or measure a small sample of something to get an estimate of the whole. We'd like to know the total population of daisy plants growing on a lawn, but it would take us too long to count every individual daisy plant, so we're going to use sampling. What we're going to do is use a quadrat. A quadrat is a square frame that's placed on the ground and you can count the daisy plants inside it. We've got some results here where we placed 10 quadrats randomly across the lawn and counted the number of daisy plants in the quadrats. In total, in all 10 quadrats, we counted 34 daisy plants. Now the area of the lawn was 5 metres by 5 metres, 25 metres squared. But the quadrat we used was only 0.5 by 0.5 metres, so it was only 2.5 metres squared. So the quadrats were quite small. In fact, 100 of them would have fitted in the whole lawn. So now we've got our sample of 34 daisy plants. How do we estimate the total population of daisy plants on the lawn? We need to know how much of the lawn we've sampled with our 10 quadrats. So we sampled an area of 10 times our little quadrat there, 10 times 0.5 times 0.5, in other words 2.5 metres squared. But the whole area of the lawn was 25 metres squared. So how many times does our sample area fit into the total area of the lawn? We can calculate that by dividing the total area of the lawn, 25 metres squared, by the area we sampled, 2.5 metres squared. It would have fitted 10 times into that area of the lawn. So to give us our estimate of the total daisy population, we multiply 34, the number of daisies we counted, by 10, and that gives us our total population of 340 daisy plants. It's an estimate of the total population, but by using sampling, we haven't had to count every single daisy plant.